I came to the Exploratorium for the first time when I was just a kid. I remember feeling that there was going to be a lot to discover. The kids who come here may not have experienced science in a hands-on way before, and I know that it can be a transformative, lifelong experience because it happened to me. We have a long history of pioneering new methods for learning.
Television education is a terribly passive education, and so is the classroom. And one of the reasons for having this place is that people can finally get back into a three-dimensional world.
The Exploratorium is a gateway to science because science is really a process. Behind the scenes, you'll see the staff get an idea, test it out, build a prototype, iterate on that prototype, and we want visitors to go through that same experience. Light play is an activity we do in the tinkering studio where you are exploring light and shadow and reflection and refraction, but you're also developing the confidence to ask your own questions. Tinkering is really a mindset in how you approach the world. It's saying, I really want to do this, I'm going to figure out how to do it. The Exploratorium is like a portal into your own curiosity. Kids might not recognize the materials, they might not have used these tools before, but by playing with exhibits and tinkering with us, they discover they can change the world around them. That was the experience I had as a kid. And that sense of curiosity in me has never left.